You might have noticed that in many of my videos, I talk about how important it is to reduce the consumption of hot water in order to save energy. Today I want to explain why I give this advice so often. Well, the first main reason is because we use hot water for many purposes, like cleaning, washing. We use hot water in our dishwashers, in our washing machines. But another reason is that it actually takes a lot of energy to heat up water. So let's quantify this to have a better understanding. To heat up water from 15 degrees Celsius, which is a common temperature for water out of the tap, to its boiling point, which is around 100 degrees Celsius, depending on the atmospheric pressure, you need 0.355 millions of joules. But still this value doesn't tell much, right? Because who knows how much a joule is. So let's come up with some example that can make us understand this better. For example, if the same energy, instead of being thermal energy, would be kinetic energy, that kilogram of water will be moving at more than 3000 kilometers per hour. But this is not very practical still, because very few people have seen water moving at 3000 kilometers per hour. Something that, for example, you could see in everyday life is one car weighing 1 ton moving at 100 kilometers per hour. The kinetic energy of this car is the same as the thermal energy of 1 kilogram of boiling water. So let's give one last example. If I want to consume the same amount of energy with my 9 watts desk lamp, I have to use it for around 11 hours. Now, the reason behind the need for so much energy is the fact that water is one of the materials with the highest specific heat. And this means that a lot of energy is required to increase its temperature, and at the same time that once it has a high temperature, it takes a long time to cool down. So far we talked about heating up water. Now let's consider vaporizing it. Well, as you can probably guess, it's even more energy. If you want to vaporize some water, it takes around 6 times the energy than it takes to heat it up to its boiling point. So now that you have a better understanding of the quantities involved, I hope you will be more careful how much water you use. I could come up with many more examples about this, but I think the video is long enough, so please let me know if you need more explanations. If you want to know more about any topic, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.